Hello, my dearest friends. Svetlana Shlapak, the founder of ukvisasuccess.com is here. If you are a national or a family member of a national, you are probably quite naturally concerned about your present and future rights to remain in the UK. I have been practicing UK immigration law for over a decade now and discovered that a lot of EU nationals and their family members have only a very vague idea about their immigration rights in the UK. And to rectify this, I decided to create this special frequently asked show where I'll be answering various questions and clarifying different aspects of EU law. If you find these videos useful, please do like them, subscribe to my channel and share them with those who may benefit from them. And here is your next question. In today's video, I would like to concentrate on top reasons permanent residence applications are rejected or refused as invalid and how to avoid this. How many permanent residence applications you think were submitted in 2016? And how many applications out of those which were submitted were rejected or declared as invalid by the Home Office? I would like to start this video by sharing some statistics with you which may come as a huge surprise for many EU nationals and their family members. My analysis is based on the immigration statistics document published by the Home Office at the beginning of this year. According to this document, in 2016, around 65,000 EU nationals and their family members have submitted their permanent residence applications. And rather sadly, around 27,000 were either refused or recognized as invalid. And that is a rejection rate of a whopping 42%. The Home Office has also published a document explaining top reasons for the refusal. Reason number one, you have not submitted a valid passport or a national identity card to prove your nationality and identity. Number two, you have not submitted evidence to prove that you are a job seeker, worker, self-employed person, self-sufficient, or a student. Number three, you have not explained any long absences from the UK which break continuity of residence. Number four, you have not signed the application form. And number five, you have not paid the correct fee for the application. Let me deal with the most straightforward reasons for refusal, number 1, 4 and 5. To avoid these refusals, all you have to do is to submit a valid passport, sign the form and pay the fee. Normally, it takes the Home Office a number of months to consider permanent residence applications, and your reluctance to submit the original passport is quite understandable. You do not want to be stuck without your passport for a number of months. However, if you do not submit your passport with the application, it will not be considered at all. You will lose the fee that you've paid for the application, and you will need to start the process all over again. However, there is a way of persuading the Home Office to consider the applications quicker. It is called a request to expedite your EA application. And you know what? I'll create a special video explaining how to make such an application, and will explain various circumstances under which the Home Office is likely to allow such a request. Reason number 2 and 3 are more complicated because in order for you to submit the correct documents, you have to understand what they are, and in order for you to understand what they are, you have to understand the rules behind the application. Therefore, the starting point for you would be to watch my videos where I explain the legal definitions of a job seeker, worker, student, self-employed and self-sufficient person. And if after watching these videos you believe that you are ready to proceed with your permanent residence application, you may get my free expert secrets guide on how to complete the 85-page EAPR form. This guide is recorded on a beautiful credit card size USB flash and where I go through each section of the form and explain the rules behind the application. In this guide, I also explain the rules about long absences from the UK, which absences are permitted, which absences are not, and how to calculate a number of days which you were absent from the UK. Because surprisingly, so many applicants get this particular point wrong. So after watching this video and getting this guide, you will be way ahead of the game and will considerably improve your chances for succeeding in your permanent residence application.